Okay, good morning. Get out lesson 3 notes. We're going to talk about slope today. What is slope? Slope is the measure of steepness of a line. The bigger the slope, the steeper the line is. The smaller the slope, the flatter it gets. Slope also tells us direction of the line, if it goes up, down, or if it's horizontal or vertical. So we have 4 types of slope. We have a positive slope, which increases from left to right, negative slope, which decreases from left to right, a zero slope, which is a horizontal line, and an undefined slope, which is a vertical line. How to find slope? Slope is rise over run. So you find 2 points on a graph, and then you count. I always do up first, so I always go up or down first, and then how many you go over. They have it the other way, but it's the same idea. Rise, up is positive, down is negative. For run, right is positive, left is negative. Okay, how to find the slope when you're given 2 points? You use this slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So your 2 points would be x1, y1, and x2, y2. So first point, second point, and your x and y. Okay, keep this handy. Flip the page though, and let's try some examples. So find the slope from looking at a graph. So first, find 2 points. Any 2 points you can see where it intersects on the little grids. So there's, oh actually they give us 2 points, I'm sorry. Here's one and here's one. So we'll choose the ones they give us. So rise over run, you do start with the leftmost point, like when you read, and in this case I have to go down. So how many spaces do I go down? I go down 7, so because I'm going down it's a negative 7. How many do I go over to get to this point? Because I'm going to the right, it's a positive 9 squares. So therefore, my slope is negative 7 over 9. Can you reduce that? Nope. That's your answer. Okay, let's do the next one. This one we have to go up. So how many spaces do we go up? 4. So positive 4. How many do we go to the right? 6, so positive 6. We always try to go to the right so that the second number is always positive. So we get 4 over 6, both are positive, but that can be reduced. Divide them both by 2, you get 2/3. So 2/3 is your slope. Next one, we're going to go down 4 spaces and to the right 5 spaces. So my slope is a negative 4 over 5. Can that be reduced? Nope. There's your answer. Next one, we're going down, so a negative 6. We go to the right, positive 4. So we have negative 6 over 4. That can be reduced. Now, do not change it to a mixed number. It has to stay a fraction. So divide them both by 2. That gives you a negative 3 over 2. Not a mixed number, a reduced fraction. Okay, the next one has no points, so we will choose this time. It looks like it connects right there, and then I would also say it connects right there. So let's count. In this case, we go up 3, so positive 3, and then we go to the right 8. So positive 3 over positive 8. Can you divide them? Nope. You were done. Okay, this is a special type of line. This is a horizontal line. Horizontal line, if you look at the front of your notes, said it has a 0 slope. Nothing to do. You're done. Okay, the last ones we have to use the slope formula. So first, I like to label my points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, because it's the second one. The slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is the 20, minus y1 is a negative 5, over x2, which is 18, minus x1, which is also 18. So, two negatives change to a plus. Add them together, you get 25. 18 minus 18 is 0. Grab your calculator. What is 25 divided by 0? So I want to show you what this looks like. 25 divided by 0 gives you an error. It says you can't divide by 0. If you get an error, that means it is undefined. So it was a vertical line. Okay, let's try the next one. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals y2, which is 13, minus y1, which is negative 2, over x2, which is 8, minus x1, which is negative 5. Some students find it helpful to cross out the numbers as they use them. That way you make sure you use them all. Two negatives change to a plus. That gives you 15. Two negatives change to a plus. That gives you 13. Can you reduce 15 over 13? You cannot. Remember, you can't change it to a mixed number, so that's it. Last one. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals negative 1 minus negative 17 over negative 20 minus 4. Two negatives change to positive. Negative 1 plus 17 is 16. And negative 20 minus 4 is a negative 24. Okay, the negatives on the bottom, first just move it to the side or the top, and then reduce your numbers. What can you divide both these by? You can divide them both by 8, which would give you a 2 and a 3. There you go. That's it. Check Google Classroom for your assignment, guys.